Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Richmond's place. It is early in the morning. It has been a couple weeks since we've done a video, and we've just had a lot of personal things going on that needed to be addressed. Hopefully here things are going to smooth out and we'll be able to start posting videos a little more regularly again. Not only that, but we've been really busy getting lots of vegetables. I'll show them to you here. These are the peppers and pole beans. Over here we got more peppers. That was yesterday's harvest. I've got buckets of tomatoes out there that we haven't done anything with yet. Then we are cooking down more tomatoes for tomato sauce, I think. I think that's what she's doing. Let's get the coffee. Yeah, get my shoes on here. The sun is just coming up out here. We'll see if there's enough light to film. We're gonna let the chickens out. I did not keep them in the coop last night. We kept them in the run. We've got some issues going on in the coop. Yesterday, I started to clean the coop out, and I got like just about all the way done. I started to itch. Don't know why, and I saw a bunch of little teeny bugs on my arm, and well, I figure I better hurry up, get in, shower, blah blah blah. Did some investigation on the internet. Apparently, those are probably mites. Yeah. Makes me itch just thinking about it. Anyhow, I closed off the chicken coop last night to the chickens, so they haven't been in the coop all night. We've kept them in the run, so they were protected. But I'm going to finish cleaning that coop out today, and then we're going to take care of the problem with the mites. Yeah, not good. Something else to take care of. That, and then plus I got some mice, so I've laid some traps out to get rid of those too. We will see how things went last night. It's no fun when we run into these issues. No fun at all. And it's funny, last summer we didn't have any of these issues. This year, there are issues. let's, oh, it might be a little too early to let chickens out. Oh boy, is he a noisy. Now normally he doesn't start that till about 7 in the morning, but because they were kept out in a run last night, he's got a little bit of a head start. Sun's coming up, lots of light, so we're gonna let him out as soon as the sun comes up a little more. I know it doesn't seem, I'm looking at the camera and it doesn't seem that dark, but if I see if I can get a spun around here. Yeah, still doesn't do it. That's funny. The camera kind of provides its own light, so you can't really tell, but it's still a little dark here. Starting to get the sun. I'll take a picture of the sunset for you too, or sunrise rather. I'll take a picture of the sunrise for you. You know, it's funny, this year we decided to start cleaning the coop out monthly. Started this summer, and I've got bigger problems now than I did when I was doing the deep bedding method, you know. We'd only clean it out twice a year. Don't know why. But we're going to take care of these problems.